MRIN, meme stock, Marin Software. Watch the double top at what is this? 59 cents. I see resistance at 58. Double top right here. MRIN getting volume. Wait for the break of this double top. Look at the gap up potential up to 68. Ooh, boy, real nice. You are way the hell up there on our MRIN. I told you it had potential gap up to around 68. You are there right now. It hit 65. Be extra cautious on MRIN. NA, watch for NA, everybody. Starting to get huge volume pouring into NA. Watch the double top up here at 234. NA starting to get more volume here. Broke above VWAP. This has stair step to the upside. This has bullish trend setting all over it. Watch out. You've got a wall at 230. This must break 230 or you are not going to make the next level to the upside. Everybody be cool. Make sure you use your stops. Trailing stop if you have it available. If you are new to trading, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. I want all of you to protect your accounts. So over here at American Dream Trading, we help you to protect your assets while growing your portfolio. We do that in several different ways, and we show you how to do that. Let's talk about some of the rules here that we must live by. You live by these rules. You journal every single day. You never lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever. If you have two red trading days in a row, go ahead and take the next month off. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade, regardless of its shares or options. Make sure you practice small position sizes, which are small base hits. That will allow the runners to run and stop out those losers. Do this each and every single day. And of course, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Even if you are a master scalper or an advanced trader, I would stay away from the first 3 minutes of the market open and the last 8 minutes of the market open. The algos love to bounce those up, down, and all around. So those are our rules that we live by. Everybody be cool. We are still watching NA, seeing if NA can break 230. I see huge resistance that was set up at 230, just got bought out, moving up to 235. So if you listen to the sound of my voice, we're starting to get a move here on NA. It must break 235 now. 230 is being smashed as we speak. 20 million volume. I am not in the trade, just letting you know what is going on with the trade up here in this double top area. This is the most dangerous area to be in. This is where if it's going to pull back, it will do it here. If it breaks through here, though, this is where you can add into the position if you are already into the position. If you are not in a positive situation, you are never allowed to add into position. You can only add when you are making money. Never add when you are losing money. Coach, but I like the dollar cost average. Don't do that when you're losing money. That is not how you want to do it, because all you're going to do is double, triple, or quadruple your loss. We're only allowed to add into the winners, not the losers. ACB, our weed stocks, up 3.3%. ACB, that's Aurora Cannabis. Check it out. Nice for small accounts, by the way. It's moving nice and slow. It's got good volume. It's moving up nicely. So smaller accounts list looks great. If you are looking at a trailing stop, looks like it's going to be around 10 cents. So if you're looking at ACB and you're wanting to put in a trailing stop, it'd be around 10 cents. Thank you.
Shift change.
Yep, shift change will be here in exactly 1 minute and 9 seconds. 1 minute and 9 seconds. Be ready. That's where more volume is going to come into the market. Looks like NVIDIA found resistance at 872. 872, first level of resistance for NVIDIA getting a breathe back. Tesla continuing to crash here. It touched VWAPs, pulling back. For those of you that are not VIP members, you can see here that the pullback is going to be down to around 863. Everybody see it? This is where it's looking at. So this is the channel. Huge channel, by the way. Huge. Let me see if this is right. Hold on. It might be a little earlier. 865 is what I'm showing on my trading view indicators. So around 865 is what is showing for the first level of support. We'll see if it can hold.